Acme Case is Sydney's premier timber and ply packaging company. Perfect providers for all your timber packaging needs. Need ply cases, crates or custom case packing to send precious vehicles, art or machinery? Case packaging not expertly executed can cause delays at customs, causing cost blowouts, damage from crushing, heat, salt, water, dust, rust or worse. Acme understands protecting your goods is paramount and how important this is for your peace of mind when it comes to packaging your valuables. There are many things to consider when supplying timber packaging for your products. Acme Case will help you address each and every one of them. Acme Timber Packaging allows your products to travel the world safely. Acme Case have been executing successful custom packaging from generation to generation for over 100 years. In the heart of Sydney manufacturing, just off the M4 at Silverwater, Acme Case has a facility capable of packaging bespoke cases through to repeat large volume orders at scale. Our process involves capturing all details on dimension and weight of goods travelling. We then prepare a same-day quotation for your approval before designing and producing your cases in execution of your order. Acme Case companies supply a range of protective coverings that will give you added protection for your sensitive equipment, as well as VCI emitters and desiccants. These are used as an additional rust preventative measure. With a unique Acme Case heat-formed vacuum seal. Acme Case use custom heat-treated timber casings, all ISPM 15 certified and stamped ready for export. All our timber products are sustainably sourced with all waste material recycled. The advantage of a timber case is that it is fully enclosed so that the contents cannot be seen or tampered with. Timber cases are generally stronger and suit heavier equipment and goods like machinery or industrial equipment. Our range of wooden crates have gaps between the boards so that contents can be seen. They are generally lighter and cheaper than the fully enclosed case. All cases and crates can be fitted with supports or partitions to suit any type of product. Acme Case pallets and skids come in all shapes and sizes to suit any requirement, from lightweight systems to heavy machinery. Pallets and skids are the most economical way to transport your goods. Acme Case manufacture bespoke and volume quantities. Lightweight cases are most suitable for artwork, antiques, and heavy-duty cases suitable for larger items, switchboards, large computer equipment, suitable for domestic and export use. We offer a design and construction service, supported by our in-house and on-site packing service, so we can provide the most effective solution for your packing requirements, as well as the manpower to get the job done. From the most fragile antique pieces to oversized artwork, we can build customised crates, cases and containers to pack your valuables. We can provide custom stencil labels for branding, safety and better care instructions. With over 100 years of experience, Acme has the answers. When Acme Case is on the case, you're in good hands. Speak to one of the Acme Case experts today.